Hi, this is my new video and this is about this bird na naglanding sa aming backyard, and I just want to show you how beautiful is this bird. Hey, she can walk now already, see? He can walk. I'm happy that she can walk. She regained her strength, so and I name her as Honey. Her name is Honey. Her name is Honey. You wanna go to sleep again? So beautiful, really. Hi, honey. Honey. Honey Bunchy. Come on, come on. Come. Come on. Come on, girl. Girl. Why are you hiding under my pants? Come on. So beautiful. See? Have you seen, guys, the crow? See? Look. Her legs is covered with wings. I call it wings because, it looks like wings. I put you in my YouTube, okay? So maybe whoever owns you can come and pick you up here. Okay? You're really so beautiful. The color. Hey, your color is really beautiful, beautiful girl. Come, come, come. Beautiful. You're not hungry? Yay! Oh my God, she can run, unlike yesterday. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere, baby. Yay! Okay. Go, 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 go. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. So yesterday night, I make this funny cage, but I did not let her to stay here. I'm afraid of the rabbit, so I bring her inside. But the thing is, my dog keeps on barking, so I put her in the basement so she can have a full rest in there. It's quite cold in the basement. And then this morning, she seems okay, and she ran, she poop, and she drink a little amount of water. So that's a big deal for me already, because the first time, few hours yesterday, she's really weak. So we really called the animal department whether they can pick her up, and they told us that we have to observe her for another hour, and then after that, if she is really that weak, then we can call back and they will pick her up. But I feel like I want to shelter her for a few days, and later maybe I will buy some foods for her, and then after that maybe I can set her free. Sabi ni Vince, wag mong itigil sa bahay kasi mapapalapit na naman yung puso mo sa kanya, tapos pag nawala siya, baka mag-iyak daw ako. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda-ganda mo. Oh, munting ibon. Ang ganda ng paa mo. May pakpak ang paa. Ang paa ni Honey may pakpak. Talagang may pakpak. Look, may pakpak talaga ang paa. No, that red is the color of her foot. But actually, it's not blood. Yesterday, I thought it's bleeding. But it's not. So, she's okay now. She really can walk. But the thing is, I want to see if she can fly. Honey, come here. Come here. Okay. Let's say bye-bye now. This is a short video of you, huh? I will upload you in the video. Okay? Okay, baby? Okay, baby girl? Oh, you poop again? Okay, you poop again. Why? You're such a pooper. You're such a pooper. Come, come. Go exercise. Go. Go and walk. Go and walk. Go and walk. Yay. Okay.